Today I'm opening up the ThinkPad P71 to change the thermal compound. I'm going to be putting this one, the Grizzly thermal. Let's see what difference it's going to make. Upon opening up the machine, trying my best and not to break it, came across this under the keyboard, some residue. If I could get it open so you guys could see this. Not really sure what that is, so I'm going to complete the opening up the machine and see what that stuff is. Now I have to remember the connectors. Has two connectors here for the motherboard, right here, and there are another two connectors here going to the motherboard. And this is the RAM, the Vengeance, Corsair Vengeance, and you could see that purplish residue in there. Really don't know what that is. I hope an insect did not go and make this their home. Okay, continuing the opening of the machine. Okay, so the top cover and the keyboard is out. Now I need to remove this panel here that goes around so I could get to the processor, which is right here. I need to take it off so I could probably get some compressed air and then, get all this gunk out of there. Really not sure how that got in there. This machine been sitting on my desk for a couple months. Hasn't gone out anywhere, just at the house. Okay. Some insect definitely made a home in here. I'm thinking it's probably ants. Taking up the speaker. On the speaker. More of that stuff in there. See this? Oh my gosh. Don't know what the hell this is. Shit. Okay, at this point, I'm just going to air it out right now. Damn, stuff is not even coming off. Well, the can is closed. Let's see if I move it. Guess I'll have to get a brush and brush it out. Yeah, I have to remember the orientation for the wireless card, the Wi-Fi card, and I guess this is the Bluetooth card. Because I have to remove these wires that feeds up so I could take the the heatsink panel of that the machine. Pain in the ass, that's what it is. So black, gray, red, and blue. Finally, I got to remove that panel. Oh, it is, I don't wish it on anyone to do this. The screws, they have a bunch of screws in here that you had to take off. And also under this hinge here for the display panel. So, yep, so here you have it. Quite the mess. Quite the mess. Well, at least it's not dust, you know, whatever that is. And I hope it doesn't come back. Okay, well, I'm gonna do a little clean out and I will be back. Okay, I finally removed the heatsink, and this is what I found. Original, well, I guess formal pieces looks alright. Whatever that was in there, I don't know, some insect was probably staying warm by the heatsink. I'm not sure. This is, I guess this is for the graphics card, the onboard graphics card. Sits here in a black rose spot. The fans, yep, dirty also. Yeah, this pink thing, I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure what this is. If this is to help with keeping the processor cool, I'm really not sure what that is. Oh, yep, it's probably for those chips here, to keep those chips cool also. Okay, so I guess I'm not going to interfere with this. If I could replace this, fine, but I have no idea what this is, so I'm not even going to, because I already opened the computer and I don't have anything to replace this if I take it off. If any of you guys know what this is, then just let me know. Okay, let me clean up and then let's see what I'm going to do here. Okay, at this point I'm going to just stop this video because I think I need to change this thermal compound. I think it's for the graphic processor. I think, yeah, this is the Quadro 4000, I believe, 4000M. So I think, yeah, I need to probably get something better, because on the long run this is going to fall apart. Yep, so I will have to find another replacement for this graphic processor. Okay, if I get something to replace this, I'll put this machine together and I will probably make another video. Okay, bye. Yeah, hopefully I will be able to put it back together. So many screws all over the place. Yep, I'm working on the floor because don't have a table I could work on, so it's on the floor for me. Bye.